So you love keeping your vehicle clean, but don't want to rewash your car completely every day or spend a fortune at the car wash? It sounds like you need to get yourself some waterless car wash products. Waterless car wash products are a cheap and easy way to keep your ride looking like new. As long as there is minimal dirt or dust on the surface of your car, truck or SUV, these products will allow you to apply a pre-mixed spray to the body and easily wipe away any surface grime like bugs, water spots, bird droppings and more. In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best waterless car wash product. So let's get started. Number 7. Armor All Ultra Shine Spray Washington. Armor All is a car cleaning products company that probably needs no introduction here. The well-known company's waterless wash and shine is also aerosol, and is therefore easy to apply to a large surface area. You'll of course need no hose or bucket to clean your car with this product. It can clean all surfaces of your car, including chrome and plastic parts and windows. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 6. OPT Optimum No Rinse Wash and Wax. This no-rinse, waterless wash and wax from OPT comes in a convenient 32-ounce format and is relatively inexpensive. The product will wash away dirt and seal it with wax, leaving your car looking for weeks on end. OPT says it's appropriate to be used on cars, trucks, boats, RVs and can even be used to wash wood or fiberglass paneling. For a truly shiny finish, you may want to apply a dedicated wax to your vehicle after using this waterless wash. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 5. Griot's Garage Spray-On Car Washington. Griot's Garage Spray-On Waterless Car Wash sells in a 22-ounce format for a price that many other washes sell for in 16-ounce size. It's therefore good value for money and won't leave behind streaks or smears. Like some other less expensive waterless washes though, you may have to use a lot of the spray in order to clean a particularly dirty or dusty vehicle. If your car gets washed with water frequently, and you're looking for a product to help that shine stick around for a little bit longer, this waterless wash from Griot's is a solid, affordable option. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Chemical Guys EcoSmart. Are you ready to use waterless car wash and wax? This waterless car wash from Chemical Guys is a similar product to the Chemical Guys wash above. However, you don't need to mix it with water to dilute the solution. Instead, this product comes ready to use, so you can keep it in your trunk and take it with you to a car show or car meet. While a bit pricey, Chemical Guys is known for their high-quality products, and this waterless wash doesn't disappoint. It serves as a quick and easy way to keep your car looking clean on the go and won't leave behind streaks, smudges, or watermarks. Some users say this product is too weak to be sold in 16-ounce format and wish each spray went a little bit further. For this reason, you may want to consider buying the larger 128-ounce version. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. Adams Waterless Car Washington. Adams Waterless Car Wash is an eco-friendly waterless car wash product that uses an advanced blend of emulsifiers and wetting agents that encapsulate the dirt particles, making it easy to clean and shine your car without having to resort to using soap and water. Sold in a variety of sizes including 16 ounces, 1 gallon, and 5 gallon, you'll be able to find this waterless wash in the size that's most appropriate for you. It has a scent described as tropical and ensures your vehicle will be left looking as though it was just detailed. Adam says it can also be paired with one of its polishes for an even greater effect. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Chemical Guys Hyper Concentrated. This waterless wash and wax from the reputable folks over at Chemical Guys is a concentrated mixture that you can water down to make it go a bit further. Chemical Guys says it will make up to 2 gallons of ready-to-use waterless wash. Described as the ultimate complete detail in a bottle, this waterless wash and wax will shine your car and provide lasting protection from other dirt and grime. It safely removes dirt without scratching your vehicle's exterior. You should use a quality microfiber towel with this wash. It's also appropriate to be used on wheels, bumpers, paintwork, plastic trim and more. Some users report the wash being a bit too thin when watered down with Chemical Guys' suggested ratio. To remedy this, you may want to use a bit more of the concentrated wash than the bottle suggests. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Miguels Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. Miguels Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax is a well-priced waterless car wash product that will help to lift dirt off the surface of your vehicle and also leave behind a wax barrier for a shiny, sealed finish. Miguels promises its waterless wash and wax won't leave behind any water spots and will also protect against swirls and scratches. It's safe for glossy paints with clear coat finishes, polished metals, and even plastic trim as well. This product is ideal for a car that's already clean. Some other waterless car wash products will be tougher on dirt, bugs and other sticky surface dirt and grime, but may not leave your car looking quite as shiny as this product from Miguels. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 7 best waterless car wash product just for you.